Can the apex predator of the land truly conquer the silent assassin of the trees?
Deep within Southeast Asia's untouched wilderness, two titans reign supreme.
Today, we witness a clash rarely seen. Komodo Dragon versus Reticulated Python.
The Komodo Dragon, a relic from a bygone era, dominates its island domain.
Known for its incredible strength and venomous bite, it fears little.
Meanwhile, the reticulated python, master of disguise, rules the shadowy undergrowth. Its power lies in its constriction, a silent, crushing embrace.
Both are apex predators, perfectly adapted to their unique hunting strategies.
But what happens when their worlds collide in an unexpected territorial dispute?
Today, fate brings them together on a collision course. The hunt begins.
The Komodo Dragon, ever vigilant, patrols its hunting grounds for any sign of prey.
Its heavy footsteps echo a warning to anything that crosses its path.
Meanwhile, the reticulated python moves with an almost supernatural stealth.
Its senses are keenly attuned to every vibration, every rustle in the dense foliage. A faint disturbance catches the Komodo Dragon's attention. Is it prey? Its forked tongue meticulously samples the air, gathering vital information. The reticulated python senses a significant presence, a potential threat, or a meal.
It retreats deeper into the shadows, a master of concealment.
The Komodo Dragon continues its patrol, unknowingly nearing its formidable opponent.
Hydration is essential, but so is maintaining vigilance in this wild domain.
Hidden beneath the surface, the reticulated python awaits its moment, unseen. The reticulated python, a master of ambush, waits patiently for any unsuspecting prey.
Its incredible camouflage allows it to blend seamlessly into the dense undergrowth.
Every muscle, every scale, is primed for the explosive strike. In a blur of motion, the python seizes its meal. The immense constricting power begins its deadly work.
But in this very territory, another apex predator reigns supreme.
The Komodo Dragon, a living relic, patrols its domain with an ancient authority.
Its incredible sense of smell, aided by its forked tongue, guides its every move.
Driven by instinct and hunger, it seeks out opportunities.
Each step announces the arrival of a formidable predator. Two titans, unknowingly drawing closer to a fateful encounter.
A new scent registers, distinct and powerful.
It senses an intruder in its territory. Beneath the surface, the python feels the vibrations. The ambush predator now finds itself observed. An uneasy standoff begins between these two formidable predators. The Komodo issues a challenge. Python responds, coiled power personified.
This duel is a clash of millennia, a test of pure reptilian might.
The Komodo makes the first aggressive move.
The python retaliates with lightning speed.
The dragon's armor provides initial protection. It shakes its head, annoyed but undeterred.
The dragon tries to gain a strategic advantage.
Its infectious bite is a potent weapon.
Python uses its primary weapon, constriction.
Once it latches on, its grip becomes relentless.
The Komodo roars, feeling the squeeze.
Muscles ripple as the python squeezes tighter, restricting blood flow.
The pressure on the Komodo's limb is immense.
The Komodo counters with its formidable tail. Python reels from the powerful impact.
The Komodo's sheer brute strength and thick hide are proving challenging.
It seeks a more vulnerable target, a chokehold.
But the Komodo strikes back, its jaws clamping down.
The dragon's bite delivers a devastating blow.
The battle rages, each animal pushed to its limits. The Komodo refuses to yield, delivering another crushing bite.
The python's grip weakens. The dragon's venom and strength prove too much.